This video provides an overview of available major engine spares for the MAN B&W L50MC series, all ready for immediate supply. Here is an inventory summary of our currently available components, including various piston, cylinder, and fuel pump parts. Our stock of MAN B&W L50MC spare parts is fully inspected and ready for immediate dispatch to your location. Featured here is an authentic MAN B&W fuel pump with plunger, available now and inspected for quality. This is a fuel pump assembly, verified and ready for immediate shipment to meet your operational requirements. Shown are the fuel pump plunger and barrel, maintained in excellent stock condition for quick delivery. This precision plunger component is part of our authentic MAN B&W spare inventory, available for immediate dispatch. This is the top view of a bare cylinder head, currently held in our inventory and ready for shipment. Here is the bottom view of the same bare cylinder head, showcasing its condition for your technical review. We have cylinder liners in stock, fully inspected and prepared for immediate dispatch. Our inventory also includes liner water jackets, ensuring we can support your maintenance needs with authentic components. In addition to major components, we provide a complete range of supporting spares, including rings, gaskets, seals, and injectors. We ship worldwide. Please contact us for quotes and to discuss the technical specifications of your required parts.